This is LmKeith here at BISH'S RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you the Chaparral Fifth Wheel. Quite huge and quite lovely. You'll need a big truck to haul it because it is 15,000 pounds. So we'll start with the outside. We've got tons and tons of storage, very easy access. Got some under there. This connects with that. Nope, that's that's a propane. One on each side. Storage that goes all the way through, so opens on both sides. One on each side. We've got two entrances, one to almost a mini apartment back here. You have your own bathroom, there's bunks, there's a couch, there's storage, and we have a lovely outdoor kitchen here at on the Chaparral. Wonderful slide out grill, slide out counter, mini fridge. You can put your barbecue or another stove up here. We can mount your TV up here so that you can have your tailgating and enjoy all of the beautiful outdoors and food. 5 slides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. And 5 on the other side. Yeah, you can have your whole family with you. All the kids and the dogs, grandma, grandpa. So first off, right here is the first guest room. We've got 2 bunks, plenty of room, 300-pound weight limit on the top bunk. So you could have a couple people sleep up there quite comfortably, or 2 smalls. And we'll go to the left. Nice dinette, plenty of lighting. We've got shades, we've got extra storage here. We've got a lovely big screen TV here in the living room. Recliners, they have LED lights in them. They have heat in them, so you will not be cold. Here with Fireplace, and you got your TV and stereo. Lovely kitchen and wine. You always got to have wine. A nice big sink. Look at this awesome, huge sink, like a standard in your home sink, and wonderful faucet. And solid surface countertops. These are wonderful. Again, plenty of lighting, nice big cupboards, 3-burner stove, good size oven, microwave. And we have a lovely residential size refrigerator, plenty of room for everything, and freezer. So you can go a long ways. So we'll go down here to the little bunk room. Perfect when you have a family. Bunk up above, again, 300-pound capacity. Nice bunch of drawers for storage, and their own bathroom. Pocket doors for privacy. We're going to go down here.
There's another bedroom?
Yes, there is. There's the master suite. So we've got a full stand-up shower, nice sink, good size, lots of elbow room in there. And in the master bedroom,
Turn the lights.
that's probably a good idea. Yeah. Yep. Master bedroom has queen size bed, walk around bed, actual walk around bed, not a scooch around. Because you know, scooch around, you have to go sideways. Nice big closet in here, tons of storage, another closet over here with drawers. If you have any questions about this or any other RV, please give us a call here at BISH'S in Junction City, Oregon.